Hi, my blessed gems, and welcome to the final and last part 5 of my wig series. So in today's video, I will be installing this wig without using a wig cap. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Now that I'm all done, I'm just taking some BioSilk and just rubbing that all throughout my hair. This is going to protect my hair and it smells really, really good. And now I'm taking my liquid foundation in this Real Techniques brush. So I'm squeezing a little bit of that product on the brush because I'm going to be putting this all over my lace. So you're going to find a liquid foundation that best matches your skin tone, like the foundation that you use on your skin. Use this on your lace all over. And as you guys can see, I have the foundation applied all over the lace. So then I tried it on to see what it looked like, but I still wanted it to look a little more scalpy, so I applied some more on. Now I'm taking my bowl hold glue and I'm just putting that a little below my hairline. You don't want to put the glue directly on your hairline. And then you're going to use your blow dryer to dry the glue. This is going to lay our lace down. You want to dry the glue until it turns clear and tacky. So as you can see, it started off white and now it's turning clear. And then when it's like tacky, that means the lace is ready to be pressed right onto it. So I just tried my lace on just to see where to put it. I'm just trying to match my middle part and see if it wasn't crooked or anything like that. So as you guys can see, it was a little crooked here, so I fixed it. And then I'm just brushing back the hair and just clipping that back. Now I'm taking my Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray and I'm going to spray that right on top of the lace, just where I glued the glue. So we're about ready to melt our lace here. Now I'm just taking my blow dryer right here as well. And I'm taking this head wrap now to press over the lace. This is what's going to give you that melt. So you want something to press over it. And then I was still taking my blow dryer so I can press it down. As you guys can see, this is HD lace. It's undetectable. Where's the lace poo? Period. So I'm just cutting in the middle. Just cutting in the middle. And then as I cut down on the sides, I'm going to go in a zigzag motion so it can look natural. You don't want to cut just straight down because it won't look natural. So cut in a zigzag motion. Then I'm going to cut off that excess black piece in that border part. Just be careful not to cut your real hair. Don't worry too much about the extra lace part. It's going to get covered anyway. Now I'm taking my rat tooth comb and just combing out that glue so it won't harden up there, because we want to do our edges later on. And here I'm just cleaning up my part. All right, so we are going to start curling this hair now. I'm just brushing it, you know, making sure there's no tangles or anything. And I'm taking my Bio Silk, which is really, really good as a heat protectant. I like to put that all over before I curl or use any type of heat to my hair. And then I'm also using my Silky Mist spray, which is also another heat protectant. I spray that all over the hair before I curl as well. And when I curl away from my face. So you want to curl away from your face. And this is a 1.5 inch barrel. And I got this from TJ Maxx too. And I was taking bigger sections because I didn't want bombshell curls. I wanted still some curls, but some loose, wavy type of curls. That makes sense. So as you guys can see, these curls were very loose, and it's going to give me that wavy curled look that I want. So just pay attention to how big my sections are. Now, when I get to the top, this is the only part where I don't curl away from my face. I kind of curl inward. So you see how I'm like curling like inward, how I'm holding the iron. It all really depends on how you hold your curling iron. That's how your curls are going to come out. So I want that swoosh bang look. So that's why I'm curling it kind of under like this. This is the only piece of hair that I'm not curling away from my face. So curl under. Now that I'm done, I just did a quick little finger comb at the ends. And then I'm taking my wide tooth comb and just brushing or combing this out. Don't be scared to comb it out because it's going to curl right back up. So I'm just playing around with it a little bit. You see how it's that wavy, sexy curl that loose, wavy. The girls that get it, get it. This is definitely date night type vibes, going out type vibes, sexy, going on an interview, walking up into court. But anyway, I'm just going to use my hot comb now and just push the front of my hair back, as you guys can see. And I'm also pushing the top of my hair down. I had like a little crimp in there and I didn't even realize that. But now I'm going to do my edges. So when I take out my edges, I like to take out a little piece of the hair. And I kind of do like a curved part, if that makes sense. I don't make a baby hair and part straight down. I kind of do like a curve. You can see even in the video, like it's kind of like curved. All right, so you're going to clip your hair out of the way, and I'm just kind of testing to see if that's good. Now, you are going to have to do the best you can to get the other side to match, and don't be discouraged if they don't match, you guys. It really takes patience, trial and error. You'll learn when you keep on doing it. It took me a while too. I'm still learning baby hairs, but I've definitely gotten a little better from my past. I can say that. Make them cousins. And now I'm just cutting it. So I'm cutting it in an angle. So cutting it in an angle. So the front piece should be short and then the back pieces should be long. And cut longer and then cut shorter. So I like to take some Gossipy glue to lay my edges down. I just put a little tiny bit on my finger, not too much because you don't want to make it too hard. And I'm using my edge brush to do that swoop-de-loop. you know, and keep playing with it until you get it. You're not going to get it in one swoop. Sometimes it takes 25 times to go over that thing just for it to swoop how you want it to. And to help me, I did wet the brush a little bit. So I'm also going to do the other side, trying to get it to match as close as I can. And now I'm just taking that spray again, and I'm just going to hot comb it to push it back just so you can kind of see my baby hairs. I like doing this to give it that natural effect that it looks like my hair. And it's also pushing the hair back so you can, you know, see your baby hairs, like I said. I'm taking my wax stick, and this is also on my website. It's in a bundle to purchase. I'm going to take this at the top, just press it all up on there. This smells so good, you guys. I love this wax stick so much. And I'm just taking my hot comb and then flattening the top. As you guys can see, it got really shiny and silky looking. It's not greasy, by the way. It is lightweight. It just gets shiny when you go over it. I wasn't liking how I was getting those crimps. So if I were you, I would hot comb section by section. You don't have to just hot comb the top. You can section it off so you can avoid those crimps in the hair, like how you guys can see. But I mean, we worked this thing out, but still I was noticing those crimps in there. And I just took my brush and brushed it all out. Still trying to hot comb those crimps out. And I'm taking this mascara and I'm kind of closing in my part. Y'all see how my part is a little wide? So we're going to take this mascara and close in that part. And now I'm taking some concealer, the concealer that I use, and then I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going into my part. And the reason I'm doing this is to give me a scalp. Our scalp is brighter than our skin. So as you guys can see, the front where we use our foundation, the front looks like my skin color, but then the part should look like your scalp. So you want to make that a little lighter than what the front looks like, if that makes sense. Okay, scalp. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my wig series. This was very, very fun to make. I will see you guys in my next video. And thank you to everyone who's came this far and watched the whole thing. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm riding with no brain, but I'm out of it.